What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, fam? Black Guns and Gardens here. Just out here chilling, enjoying this beautiful day. Enjoying this nice stick. Y'all can see that. It's the Aganorsa leaf. While I was out here, fam, something caught my eye. I thought I'd share it with the family. It's that tree over there, y'all. It's that tree over there. It's not really the tree itself. It's what's on the tree. It's what's on the tree. Check it out. Check it out. Y'all see those blooms? Do y'all see those blooms? Wow. This tree is loaded, y'all. This tree is loaded. Look at that. This tree is loaded. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This tree is loaded with blooms, y'all. All those blooms are potential lemons, y'all. Potential lemons. Look at that. All down there. Look at that. Look at that. This tree is loaded. This tree is loaded. All in there, y'all. Potential lemons, y'all. That's that Meyer Improved Meyer Lemon Tree. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's beautiful. But you know, when you're out here in this garden, you know you always have to protect yourself wherever we are. So bam, check it out. That's that PSA lower, BCA upper, Chamberlain 223 wild. Got that Romeo 5 red dot, the Magpul flip up sights. Review coming soon. Black Guns and Gardens out. One.